So on this side, I can be warm. On this side, I don't want to be that warm. So what can I take to add to it to cool it down? A little bit of green. Blue is for children. Blue, you can see the blood below the surface of the skin with children much more than adults. So I'm going to bring that in, and you can, and as you saw, the blue is in the violet, and I can add the blue into any area that I've added green, and it actually balances the green. So I use both of them. What's that?
Daughter was just singing on her.
Yeah, children.
You can kind of see the blue on that far side.
Yeah, they
The
have.
light's coming in this way, like that way.
Children have much more purple and blue in their skin tones, but again, it depends on. Yes.
Depends on their genes.
Yeah, it depends on the genes.
So the race.
So I can lighten this color. I'm just adding a little bit of lighter color to it. And all of those purples and greens, look what it did to my red. I started out with that color, and I've made the color that I wanted to be in there, which is a much more natural looking color. This, I'm gonna go ahead and lighten up just a little bit too. And I could put more yellow in this if I get too pink, too red, which I am right now. So I'm gonna look for something that has yellow in it. Here's one that has some nice yellow in it. So I can take that around this one and give her a tan, because she was looking pretty pale there. So I'm going to start transitioning. These are called halftones. They're all the values that are surrounding the lights and not quite into the shadows. It's a better color. In Russia, when I was studying, when I went over in '96, and I was in a museum with some classical artists, they were talking about the paintings, and one of the things they said is, in a classical portrait, you will see yellow in the forehead, red in the cheeks, and blue in the chin in everybody. So they were talking about that, and I thought that was really interesting. I had not seen that previously.
So yellow in the forehead, what pink in the cheeks?
Pink in the cheeks and blue in the chin. And blue is a form of, green is a form of blue. So if you think about it, green's made from blue and yellow. All right, so now at the edge of my shadow, in the lit side, is where I put my warmth.